Hi-10 was established in 1958 and over the last 50 years we've become one of the largest suppliers of reinforcement in the UK, with 8 factories nationwide and an annual turnover of £65 million. Hi-10 has been the UK and Ireland Bamtec licensee for 10 years, and in those 10 years we've been constantly investing and innovating to make the Bamtec product better and better.
We've just opened our second production factory in the UK down in Wallingford, which is just south of Oxford.
It's got the latest, most up-to-date, innovative reinforcement machinery available, and that's very well positioned for serving our customers in the southeast.
Bamtec is the most technologically advanced steel reinforcement system on the market, and it enables a carpet of steel reinforcement to be produced directly from an engineer's finite element design.
Bamtec can now offer customers the possibility of saving up to 2/3 of the site fixing costs and reducing tonnage required by up to 35%.
I think Bamtec plays an important part in the marketplace in realising the efficiencies that can be brought out of an existing technology.
At the heart of the Bamtec system, we have the seamless process from design to detailing to manufacture.
We would take an engineer's design at whether concept, preliminary, tender or detailed design, and refine that design by finite element analysis.
Once the FE analysis is exported, it then goes into a detailing process in which we precisely match the bars to the requirement of the slab. Then we send that over to the manufacturing process, which manufactures the carpets to suit the blueprint that we send it.
This machine is a fully automatic Bamtec carpet machine. It produces material directly from coil, 20mm down to 8mm. It's got 6 carousels. The right bar is automatically selected and the material is pulled directly from the carousel through the straightening machine and cut and then fed automatically into the Bamtec welding plant in the correct order. So every bar that goes in is then welded in the correct sequence. So the resulting carpet is a direct replica of the engineer's design. It is then rolled up around reusable helicals and straps are then added for transportation to site. Straps are very important to our Bamtec customers. It allows the very easy and safe handling of the material when it arrives on site. Alongside Bamtec there are some other products which Hi-10 design and supply, such as shear rail. Hi-10 can offer a design and detail service for shear rails, which sit very well with Bamtec because it's a very fast process of actually fixing the shear reinforcement around the column. Other innovations that Hi-10 have brought into the Bamtec package are the use of A12 couplers on internal columns. This allows us to finish the column bar at the soffit level and then roll the carpet over the column not being an obstruction, which then allows for much bigger carpets and fewer carpets, which means less handling on site. Once the carpets are laid, then the process is completed by the fixing of the threaded starter bar into the coupler, and then the slab can be poured. The carpets being laid are very accurate, and the engineer who has designed the job can have complete confidence that his design is actually being replicated very accurately in the carpets. It's the combination of the FE analysis package and the automatic robot and the welding system which allows Bamtec to produce very, very complex carpets which could never be fixed on site in loose bar. It's an entirely robotic procedure, which means that you can have any spacing between the bars and you can have bars from 8 to 32mm diameter. We work with most of the major engineering companies around the UK, and our customers find it of great benefit that Hi-10 can offer such a proficient and competent design and detailing service. Bamtec's ability to place bars exactly where they're required generates a steel saving against its cut and bend rival. Bamtec is much faster to lay than traditional cut and bend. It requires fewer labourers and fixers to actually lay the materials. On a normal day, a fixer fixing loose bar will fix a couple of tons of material as a maximum. With Bamtec, you can roll out 10-15 tons a day quite easily with a two-man team. When using Bamtec, our customers can often retrieve up to a week per floor on programme saving. So if you've got a 6-storey building, potentially you can save yourself 6 weeks by using Bamtec. It also gives additional benefits in health and safety.
It reduces the amount of manual handling required on site and therefore the potential for site injuries.
Using Bamtec, there's much less RSI incurred by the fixers and labourers.
Furthermore, Hi-10 is the first UK reinforcement fabricator to operate an environmental management system that is certified to ISO 14001.